Welcome to the iconic Lotus Tower, a symbol of architectural brilliance in the heart of Colombo, Sri Lanka. This magnificent structure stands tall at 356 meters, making it the tallest tower in South Asia. Designed to resemble the blooming petals of a lotus flower, the tower showcases a unique blend of modernity and cultural significance. As a prominent feature on Colombo's skyline, the Lotus Tower has become a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. The Lotus Tower offers a 360-degree view, allowing you to marvel at the urban landscape, modern architecture, and the vibrant energy of the city.